So the practical is about clustering. Corresponds to the theory we covered on Monday. Basically, we are going to understand, or we are going to apply some techniques to calculate or to derive some clustering patterns or dispersion patterns for a point dataset. And different levels. We have local tools, global tools, and for this purpose we have different datasets for the practical. The first one is this layer about meteorological stations. So in the task number 1 is basically to open everything, to open the different datasets that you found in the practical. Task number 2, okay, we will work with meteorological stations in Namibia. So that's countrywide. I will change the symbology just to visualize it a little bit. And you can see it's the shape of Namibia. So this is Rundu and this is Katima. So if we open the table of attributes, we can see that there are, of course, a name for the meteorological station, and then some rainfall which is probably the average for each year for each month. So October. So there's the historical rainfall for October for this Heida Chavez meteorological station, and then also some numbers from October to September and from October to April. Yeah. I think they are. Yeah, exactly. October to September. Okay, so this is basically the whole year, and this is the only the rainy season, October to April. Okay, so that's the first step, always to open the data, understand it. So now we can go back to the instructions and read it. We want to check the level of clustering in our meteorological stations network. For this purpose, the tool average nearest neighbor. Do you remember this tool? Is available. Apply ANN to interpret the results answering following questions. Yes?
What's the difference between, okay, how does the KNN and the ANN work?
With this KNN?
K nearest neighbor algorithm.
I don't know, you should maybe tell us what is KNN.
And I saw like when you are calculating the nearest neighbor,
okay,
using the KNN algorithm. So I wanted to know if there is a difference between the average, because it also calculates the nearest neighbor, let me say the cluster of points.
Mm-hmm.
So if for example, you say, okay, K is equal to,
yeah, okay.
K is equal to 3. So it's looking for 3 values that are close to the K value now. So it's giving a radius of from among the clusters, which values are close to the K value.
So you know already the difference, or?
I know, I just want to know the average.
Okay, we'll check after practical.
Oh, okay.
I don't know right now KNN. We'll check now. We'll check after practical. So but please, if you have questions regarding the practical, just stick to it, and then if it is a bit different, just after it, okay? So we follow the right streamline. You can ask, of course, you are more than welcome, but after the practical. Otherwise, stick to the topic. Yeah? So we want to check the level of clustering, and we are going to use this tool. So, and then we need to answer a few questions. So, first thing, we need to search for the tool. ANN. It does not appear, so maybe we need to write average. Yes, average nearest neighbor. We input the rainfall. And then we click on generate report, and now the software is comparing. Why is comparing? Probably because the data is not in UTM. Remember what we did yesterday, the first thing I told you to do. You should make sure that all your layers are in UTM as well as the data frame, yeah? So let's convert everything to UTM. First, we convert the data frame to UTM, okay? And then we export the zip file also as UTM. Okay, and now let's try again the tool, but now using the UTM one, still comparing. Is it working for you? Is this error appearing as well?
No, it's not.
Okay, then it's a problem of my software, I don't know, maybe the extensions are not active. Yeah, they are. I don't know exactly what the problem is. Let me close it and open it again. But anyways, did you convert it to UTM? Did you apply the ANN tool? Did you get the report? Sorry?